Today, we will build an expert advisor in MetaTrader that opens two trades, a buy and a sell, and then manages them automatically. When one trade reaches $1 profit, it will close the opposite trade. Then when profit increases, it will close the winning trade as well. This video is for learning purposes only. Do not use this logic for real trading without proper testing. We will build a simple system. First, we will open a buy trade and a sell trade. Then we track profit. If any trade reaches $1 profit, we close the opposite trade. Then we let the remaining trade run and close it when profit increases. Let's open up MetaEditor to write the code. In the MetaEditor, click on New and there a small window will pop up. Select Expert Advisor, click Next. Enter the name of the expert advisor. Let's say we name it as Simple EA. Click Next. Leave these options default. Hit Next and then Finish. And now you will see a template code with the three functions. At the top, you will see some lines starting with hash property. These are just basic settings for your expert advisor. For now, you don't need to change them. And then you have onInit function. OnInit runs only once. It runs when you attach the EA to the chart. And then you have onDinit function. OnDinit runs when the EA is removed or stopped. And then you have onTick function. This is the important function. OnTick runs again and again every time price changes. This function runs. This is where we write our trading logic. Alright, let's start writing the trading logic. Let's remove these commented lines. First, we have to refresh the rates so that we can get the latest rates from the system. And then we need to get the total orders that are currently placed in this chart. Init total orders equal to orders total. And then we have to check if there are no orders, then we have to open two orders at the same time. A buy and a sell order. First we have to open the buy order. Get the current symbol of the chart and then we are opening the buy order with the lot size of 0.01 and the price of ask. And then we'll give the slippage of 3. And for now, we don't want to add the stop loss or take profit. We give the comment as buy trade and then magic number for our order is 2211 in order to find it later on. And then we give the color of the order as blue. We need to place another order sell at the bid price. Just copy and paste this line again and then change these arguments. Instead of buy, we are placing sell, and then instead of ask, we are placing bid, and then change the comment to sell trade and then color of the order to red. Now we need to check which trade is in profit. So for that, we have to initialize some of the variables. To store the profit of buy and sell, we initialize two variables, buy profit and sell profit, and then two variables to store the ticket value. We store the value of buy ticket and sell ticket in the buy ticket and sell ticket. Now we need to loop through all of the open trades. We iterate all of the open orders from the orders total, and then we have to check if, and then we have to select the order that are currently in the loop by its position. Next we check if this order type is buy, so that we can save the buy profit and save the ticket number. And then we have to check if the order symbol of this order is the current symbol that is on the chart. And then we have to check if the order type is buy, so that we can save it in the buy profit variable, and then buy ticket and the ticket number in the buy ticket variable. We have to add another condition. If we have order type of sell, then we have to save the sell profit and the ticket number of the sell order in the sell ticket. And then we have to add the logic: if any trade reaches $1 profit, we close the opposite trade. If buy profit is greater than or equal to 1 and sell ticket is not equal to -1, that is, sell order is in place, then we have to close the sell order. In order to close any order, first we have to select that order. We have to select that order by ticket. So if order select sell ticket, select by ticket, and then we have to close that order with the ticket. And then add another condition: if sell profit is greater than or equal to 1 and buy ticket is not equal to -1, and select the buy order, and then we have to close that buy order with the buy ticket. So we have added a logic: if buy is winning, we close the sell; if sell is winning, we close the buy. Now we close the winning trade when the profit increases. If buy profit is greater than or equal to 2 and buy ticket is not equal to -1, and then we have to select the buy ticket with, then we have to select the buy order with the buy ticket, and then we have to close this buy order with the buy ticket. And if sell profit is greater than or equal to 2 and sell ticket not equal to -1, then we have to close this sell order with the sell ticket. So in this logic, we gave some room for the winning trade to grow and then close it in profit. Let's compile our code. There are no errors. Alright. Now let's test this expert advisor that we have just created. Open the strategy tester, select expert advisor, and select your expert advisor with the name Simple EA. And we are using the symbol USD/JPY. We are using the data from the past 2 years, and we are using it with the visual mode. Let's start this strategy tester. As soon as we started the strategy tester, the bot has opened 2 trades at the same time. It's a buy trade and a sell trade. Now the bot is waiting for any of the trade to get the profit so that it can close the opposite trade. Let's increase the speed of the strategy tester. As you can see now, orders are closed now. And if we see the results, when it reaches the $1 profit, it closes the opposite trade, and then it waits for another $1, and then it closes the winning trade as well. And then after that, When there is no opened orders, it opened again, buy and sell trade at the same time. And then it automatically manages the trades. This is how your EA manages trades automatically. This is a simple example. Real trading systems include stop loss, risk management, proper strategy. In the next video, we can improve this logic with a real trading strategy. Subscribe if you want to learn how to build the smarter expert advisors step by step.